Solomza strangles kaMavovo to death while uNelly finds out ukuthi uChuma uyena obulala uBansi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. So Rebecca uyena okidnaphe kaMavovo appears and says how athathu yazingazile ukuthi wena athi yeah, you've been very naughty. Angene ke uSolomza athi ma kwenzakalani la athi ngifuna ukumbulala lo. And then amstophe-ke uSolomza athi ha wena ngazile ukuthi weak, ngazile ukuthi weak wena cha, I want to do it myself. Athi fine mbulale-ke uRebecca. Ambambe-ke uSolomzi. Ancenge kwaMavovo, please don't kill me, ungangibulali. Amklinye-ke uSolomzi. Strangles kaMavovo until she gives in. So Solomza strangles kaMavovo to death. How? And then Chuma noLanga insist ukuthi ufuna ibhamu zakhe athi uzomexpose ukuthi yena obulala umngane wakhe athi cha anginandaba nakho lokho. Ahambe-ke uLanga ahambe aye kuNelly amtshela uNelly ukuthi hey wena uyazi umuntu obulale uBanzi uChuma angakholwa athi hawu but omdala avela ngena uChuma athi hawu but omdala cabanga uLanga ukuthi wena obulala uBanzi cabanga avuma vele acwelise uChuma uthi yazi Nelly ngiyacwelisa kakhulu for what happened athi hawu umbulele vele. All this time I felt sorry for you when you couldn't do imemorial kaBanzi kanti ukuthi umbulele udliwe saze let's be ready ke ngiyahamba ngemaphoyiseni kusenjalo kuvela ungena uGeneral ngiyibhamu athi esethi gucani phansi Langa begs ukuthi hey yekela uNelly ahambe, she's not involved in all of this and where's my mom, you kidnapped my mom. Athi uGeneral angazi nokuthi unyoko uphi wena. Ngapha uSamthanda wants to continue going to a reed dance eze kahle ukuthi she slept with Velaphi. And then unkosikazi kaChuma comes to invite them ku dinner athi ucela bazodla nabo dinner. Samthanda doesn't want to go because she sees ukuthi unama ulterior motives lo, but uVelaphi akazi lutho, so uVelaphi wants to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.